Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to RedotPay. And what you need to know is that Wise is not a huge fan to support directly transfers from a cash app to a cryptocurrency platform. So what you need to know is you can send directly money from Wise to RedotPay. But what we can do is a little bit different, and it's a totally complete other way how to get money on RedotPay. And you can do that by simply going to RedotPay, right there search for the P2P option, and then trade with your Wise money for something different on the RedotPay application. So for example, what also Google is telling us, you cannot transfer money directly from RedotPay to Wise using a card or direct bank transfer because Wise do not accept direct crypto platform payments or direct card deposits from RedotPay. So it's not possible. So what they want you to do is convert it to fiat, and you can do that on the application itself. Because if you search right here for RedotPay P2P, there you have it. And then right here at this marketplace, you can trade your money, your Wise money, for something else on RedotPay. And then you can transfer your money indirect right here to RedotPay. So what you need to do right now, I don't have an account on RedotPay, but create an account on RedotPay, go to the P2P option, there turn on the filter with US dollars, euros, and then select there the Wise payment method. Then right there do the transfer, and then you can transfer your Wise balance right here to RedotPay. So this is the only way how to do that. If you have questions about this, how to do that or something specific, comment it down below so I will help you out right there. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.